Good afternoon on Tuesday the 3rd of November from Forex Info US. Again, we've had some volatile movement with this Euro US dollar pair. Let's have a look at a daily chart and see what's happening. So far, if we do have a high of a fifth wave within wave C, and I've still got a big question mark around this, if that is the case, then this downwards movement recently, last week, is necessarily a first wave. In the last 6 days, it's been moving sideways and trading within this narrow band 1.486 to 1.468. It's about 180 pip range for the last 6 days. Yesterday, it had some really volatile upwards movement in the New York session and flipped around and volatile movement downwards again. So far today, in the Asian session, which has been really quiet again, it's been sitting below this major trend line. It's really struggling to make its way through there today. So if this is a first wave down and this is a second wave up, because second waves normally most commonly retrace to the 0.618 Fibonacci ratio, we could expect an upwards target of 1.4916 or within a few pips either side. Having a look at an hourly chart, this is last week's strong downward movement, and so far we could have A, B coming up for C up here. It doesn't have to make its way all the way up here for this wave count to be validated or to be consistent, but it is reasonably possible. So that would be an upwards target. However, we'll be watching really closely during the next New York trading session to see what it does. That seems to be when it has its most volatile movement. Third waves are strong, so the next phase down is going to be a really good one to ride. Let's go back to that daily chart. When it has finished this mucking around moving sideways, maybe getting up this far, it will turn back down again, and when it does, it's going to be much stronger and much longer than this first wave down. It's probably also going to trade in a narrow trend channel like this one has. So we're going to be watching in the next couple of days. By the end of the week we should have confirmation either way. By the end of the week I may be able to get rid of this big question mark above these highs, or we may be posting yet a new high. That is still an outside possibility. Although every day that it trades below this trend line, the possibility of it getting back up to post a new high becomes less and less. So that's all from us today at Forex Info US. May all your trades be profitable and have a good day.